What's going on, guys? So I know I'm actually like 2 days short on filming a video. I'm gonna try to keep up with the schedule and whatnot, but we actually moved to a new house, which I'll be doing a video about that like probably maybe the next video or 2 videos after that. I'll kind of like talk about everything and like whatever, but we're in a new house, so we had to move a bunch of stuff, so that's why I didn't film. I'll move like 2 days late, I guess, and yeah. But do you want to see the garage? I feel like you probably do. So this is the new garage where I'll be working on the car. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, but there's no living room out here. So just got some 4-wheelers, a dirt bike, all the tools, the beautiful 300ZX twin turbo. But yeah, so in today's video, I guess I'm gonna go over like the top 5 things that are gonna break on your 300ZX NA probably, or twin turbo, just because, you know, a lot of people ask me like what should I look out for like that's gonna break in the future. So I figured, hey, I'll film a video and like tell you guys, you know, what is like the most common things to break or that will definitely break on a 300ZX. So the most common thing that will break, and it's probably broken on yours to be honest, is the door key. Like the door lock does not work with the key, it just spins. It's a cheap plastic part that almost every Z that I've ever seen is broken on. You can actually buy them at Z1, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but that's the most common thing. So if yours hasn't broken yet, be gentle with it because it's prone to break. Alright guys, so the second thing that's prone to, I guess, break, or not really break, but to mess up in a 300ZX twin turbo is if you have T-tops, which most people do, they will probably leak. That's just a common thing. Like I said, every Z, they always leak. If they don't leak, then you're really lucky. That's all I can say. There's also, you can buy like new weather stripping from Z1, but I'm pretty sure it's like $800, and I just don't drive my Z in the rain, so yeah, $800 for weather stripping, I don't know. If you decide to do that, it's fine, but for me, it doesn't seem practical. So another thing that's definitely gonna go bad on your 300ZX is, well, if you have a, like, I think it's 94 to 90 to 90 to 94, the old style injectors they're gonna go bad. That's just 100% fact. They're going to go bad at some point, and like they don't last that long. Like I think I had 2 go bad since I've had this car, so you might want to upgrade to newer style because apparently they don't go bad as fast or really at all. So if you do have one that's from like 94 or like the later end of 94 95 and like 96, then you're good, or you can upgrade to the new style injectors as well. For I think the kit is like $100 on Z1, and then you obviously have to get the injectors, which depends on, you know, what CCs you want, but yeah, that's definitely gonna happen on your Z, I promise. The fourth issue or problem or thing that's gonna break, I don't even know how you'd classify this, is the vacuum leaks. That's a 100%. Almost every Z ever has had vacuum leaks. Most Zs have vacuum leaks right now and they don't even know, but that is something you're definitely gonna have. Vacuum leaks. So just get ready with the little smoke tester or whatever, because you're gonna need it. It's bad. It's one of those things. So many lines. It's such a pain. Back down boost leaks and vacuum leaks, which are pretty much the same thing. But I mean, they're not the same thing, but they're pretty much as common as each other and happening or whatever. All right, guys. So the 5th thing that's 100% going to fail on your 300ZX is if you have an old style PTU, it is going to go bad. Now I know most Zs have the new style because it was a recall part, so most people did get the new style PTU. But if you get any engine from like Japan or anything like that to do like a swap or anything, then make sure that you do run the new style PTU, because most likely they're gonna have the old style. At least that's what happened with me. But that's definitely something that's going to, you know, go bad, so I would look into it. I've made a few videos about it. I think I made like a diagnosing the PTU, and I did talk about like what the different kinds were or whatever. But basically, the new style one is like a gray color and it has like gray clips that go into it, and they like almost like cross each other because it uses the stock clips and then has like 2 more clips that go into the actual PTU, versus like the older styles, like this little black box, and it just has the 2 plugs that go into it. But yeah, I know that's probably kind of choppy, but I don't even know how to describe it exactly. But that's pretty much the top 5 things that are gonna go bad. Now obviously there's other stuff that's gonna go bad. Typically the AC does go bad, at least in my experience. Most of the Z's I've had, or all 3 of them, didn't really have AC. The black one did have AC for a little bit, but then it stopped working, so I don't know. But yeah, and a lot of the Z's are missing like the little speaker box in the middle, so, and those typically don't work. But I wasn't gonna include those because that's not really like a big deal when it comes to like how your motor runs and everything like that. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for like what the basic 5 things that are gonna go wrong. If you guys want me to do a video of like the 5 strongest things that this car has, like where that won't break no matter what, and then I will do that as well. So comment down below if you'd like me to film that video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I really appreciate it, guys. I am getting the wide body kit once again. It is on the way, being shipped. I'm waiting. I'm hoping it comes soon. I don't really know how long it said it was gonna take, probably like a week or 2. So I bought it last week, so it's been basically a week from now. So hopefully by next week, this time, I will have a wide body kit. And then we're getting it installed. And then, like I promised before, a long time ago, and I thought I wasn't gonna be able to uphold this promise, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm getting this car painted. Like, I might even get it painted at 950 and then not reveal it till I hit 1,000. I'm not actually sure yet. But at 1,000 subscribers, the day it hits 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to post a video showing the color and a picture on Instagram and everything, because it's happening, guys. I've been saving up my money, doing things right. And the car's gonna get painted when it hits 1,000 subscribers. Guys, so go hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Go hit that like button. You already know we need likes, we need the subscribers, we need all that. So, you know, don't be lame. Go hit that subscribe button. Go like this video. And until next time, peace.